Good morning, student of class 10. Today I am going to teach you about respiration. Do you know what is respiration? Respiration, food is the fuel for all the life processes. All the life processes which run by body parts. So food work as a fuel. Mean if you are taking fuel, mean food that give you energy. See, food burned by the process of respiration to release energy. If you are not taking food and that is not burning, and then they can't give you energy. So food is necessary. See, the entire process of the respiration take place in 5 steps. Number 1, breathing in oxygen. You can see in picture, breathing in oxygen, process number 1. Process number 2, reaction of oxygen when you were breathing or inhaling oxygen inside body. That time that oxygen react with food molecules like glucose in the cell. Step number 3, oxidation of food molecules leading to slow combustion of the molecules. Process number 4, a release of energy, and that release energy and its storage in the form of ATP. Do you know full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and that energy which released by combustion of food that is stored in the form of ATP in the cell. And number 5, elimination of waste product like carbon dioxide and water by breathing out. See, thus the processes of respiration can be summarized as food plus oxygen, and that is carbon dioxide, water and energy. Say food plus oxygen and product will carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay. Say breathing and respiration. Try to understand about it. What is breathing and what is respiration? See, breathing and respiration are two different processes. Breathing is a process in which organism take in oxygen. Breathing is a process in which living organism take in oxygen from the environment and release carbon dioxide back into environment. Whereas respiration is quite complex process, and it include number 1, breathing, which involves mechanism of exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, and second, oxidation of digested food in the cell to release energy. Okay, and the energy released during respiration is utilized for carrying out biological function which are essential for survival and maintenance of organism. While breathing is a physical process, in this process oxygen take in and carbon dioxide release outside from the body. Respiration is a biochemical process. First, try to understand the difference between breathing and respiration. See, it is breathing. First, breathing, number one. Breathing is constant process, and where you breathe in and out constantly. And respiration, see, it is a process where the body breaks down the oxygen. Second, breathing, it is a physical process. And respiration is a chemical process. Breathing, it takes in oxygen, okay, and that takes out carbon dioxide, In breathing also carbon dioxide goes outside. Breathing, it is a exchange of gases between cells. And respiration, it has one process, oxidation. Okay? See, in breathing, breathing can be controlled, whereas oxidation occur in respiration, it cannot be controlled. So, I hope you all understand about difference. You all understand difference between breathing and respiration. Okay. See, you can see breathing process by this picture. And next, how energy released during respiration is stored. You all know that during respiration energy is released. However, all energy is not that energy released by respiration, that is not used immediately by an organism. Organism cannot use that energy immediately. That is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecule, in the cell of the body and used by organism where it is needed. In order to, if you want to understand about this process, as first we should know the molecule of ADP and ATP and inorganic phosphate. ADP, meaning of molecule ATP and ADP. ADP and ATP and inorganic phosphate. So ADP, what is ADP? ADP means adenosine diphosphate. This ADP molecule present in the cell contain low energy. It contains 2-phosphate, diphosphate. Mean 2-phosphate group in its molecule, where ATP, adenosine triphosphate, it is, ATP molecule present in the cell contain high energy because It have 3 phosphate molecule. Okay. Today you will write difference between breathing and respiration on your note copy, and try to learn about difference between breathing and respiration, and write definition of breathing and respiration.